the new iPad Pro and the new iPad Air have been launched. And famous tech YouTubers like Mr. Usabas and MKBHD says the iPad Pro is weird. Well, that's for at least. These devices are absolute powerhouse, packed with cutting-edge technology that pushes the boundaries of what an iPad can do. Let's jump right in, guys. So, we have the new iPad Pro 11 and the new iPad Pro 13. And then we have the new iPad Air 11, the new iPad Air 13. Nice, we got lots of stuff. We're going to be talking about the iPad Airs in the next video. Let's continue. So they have been successfully launched worldwide, but there's a big problem. Well, what's the problem? Before, let's see the positives. First up, we have the new iPad Pro 11. At the heart of the beast is the incredible Apple M4 chip. The iPad Pro is amazingly thin for 5.1 millimeters, which Apple has strongly emphasized as the thinnest product in the Apple ecosystem. The chip, which is M4 chip, delivers outrageous performance for pro workflows. Whether you're editing 4K high-rendered videos, designing 3D models, or doing a high VFX movie, or running intensive apps or gaming stuff. And the best part, you get all of this in a power with all-day battery life. And that's wow, and it's smooth. That's right, you can go from morning meetings to late-night creativity without needing to recharge, at least for the least bit. The charging is good, but not better as the MacBook Pro, but it's very useful. Now let's talk about the display. The iPad Pro 11 Pro features an Ultra Retina XDR display with ProMotion, P3 white color and True Tone. This means you'll get stunning visuals and vibrant colors and smooth motion, perfect for watching movies, editing photos, or gaming like I said. Plus, you can opt for the Nano Texture Glass, which is the OLED glass that we talked about last video, which you can check in the description. So that is glass, making it easier to work in bright environments. For all the photography enthusiasts out there, the Apple Pro 11 doesn't disappoint. It comes with a pro camera system that includes a LiDAR scanner, enhancing the AR experiences and improving low-light photography. The 12 megapixels or the 12 MP ultra-wide front camera with center stage is perfect for video calls and movies, keeping you in the frame even if you move around. Staying connected is a breeze with my iPad Pro 11. It supports Wi-Fi 6E and 5G, so you can enjoy super fast downloads and high quality streaming wherever you are in the most fastest thing you can possibly imagine, like Flash or like Sonic. Whether you're at home or on the go, you'll have the speed you need. Like I said, and of course, the Apple Pro 11 is compatible with the latest accessory, the Apple Pencil Pro, the Apple Pencil USB-C, take creativity to the next level, and with the Apple Magic Keyboard and Smart Folio, you'll transform your iPad into a versatile workstation. So watching until now means a lot, and please do consider subscribing so we can be more pro than ever than you can possibly imagine. Let's go. According to Mac Rumors, which is a reliable place, which also you can check in the description, the update Magic Keyboard has a dedicated row of function keys for increasing and lowering brightness. It's like the MacBook Pro, but it's separating, changing the volume, controlling video playback, locking display, you have Face ID, initiating a search, turning on Do Not Disturb, starting dictation, and more. The function row is similar, which is awesome. So the function row on the Mac, which is good. I mean, obviously. Apple Pencil Pro can sense when you squeeze it. That brings up a new palette so you can quickly switch to line weight and colors thanks to a new sensor. Barrel, a new giant scope allows you to rotate the Apple Pencil for precise control without shade, pen and brush tools. Haptic feedback, and Apple says this is going to change the pencil experience. I mean, it does. Yeah, it does. Let's talk about the iPad Pro 13-inch. Just like its smaller sibling, but this is more like an higher speed sibling, it packs with the Apple M4 chip, ensuring you get outrageous performance for all your professional needs with all-day battery life. The iPad Pro 13 also boasts an Ultra Retina XDR display with ProMotion, P3 white color, and True Tone. It's perfect for those who need large canvas for their creative projects or simply enjoy a bigger screen for entertainment. You'll find the same impressive camera on in the system on the iPad Pro 13, including the same LiDAR Canon and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide front camera with center stage. Yes, your video calls and AI stream will be as amazing as the Pro 11. Connectivity check. The iPad Pro 13 supports Wi-Fi 6E, 5G for lightning fast internet. That is awesome and more reliable and game-changing. And it's compatible with all the latest accessories like the Pencil Pro and the new Magic Keyboard, but it's expensive. Yeah. Okay, last thing that is super powerful in every MacBook or Apple product until now. Yes, the new M4 chip. It's a new CPU architecture with 4 performance and 6 efficiency cores, along with a 10-core GPU as well. The new GPU gets dynamic catching and ray tracing, which ensures graphically demanding games such as Diablo lock and run better than ever before on the device. I hope they do this in the MacBook Pro, which will be in the WWDC, which we'll talk in the future videos. I'm waiting, and I'm seeing the new iPad Pro continuing with 1.5x faster performance, advanced graphics, Odyssey, and the powerful neural engine capable of 38 trillion operations per second. Yes, this chip ensures superior AI capabilities. First time Apple is talking about it, so we might know more in the WWDC. Stunning 109 XDR display, yes. 480 also, and impressive power efficiency. Yeah, it's definitely a lot. We have Final Cut Pro and the Logic Pro. You can do surround camera. You have many other cameras. You can connect that, and we can talk about that in another video because we have done this quickly. It's too long or something. Okay, conclusion. When you choose the iPad Pro 11 or the 13, you're getting the device that redefines what an iPad can do. Technically, it looks the same, but it's more powerful with the M4 chip. Stunning displays, prograde cameras, seamless connectivity. These iPads are built to handle anything you throw at them. Yes, even if you crush them with anything. So let me speedrun the disadvantages. Despite its impressive features, comes with a high price tag compared to other tablets and laptops. iPadOS 2 remains awkward for professional use. Larger models may feel unwieldy, and the original 9.7 model is limited to 2 GB of RAM, including this also. It has more RAM, but still more storage is also good. Not just for 9.7 model, even for the 13 also. The fixed battery isn't used and replaceable. General storage upgrades are costly. Shooting photos and videos with large devices awkward. Yeah, there's no SD card slot for easy photo transfers, and the data transfer is fast, but not too fast. External keyboards aren't as comfortable as traditional ones. No headphones are included, so it's kind of a difficulty, and it does lack lots of dust to do it. So that is a thing I can say that in the next video. So I have to end this very fast. So yeah. So which one are you the most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update in Smart Side. We also changed our logo. Yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.